What's up, guys? Dan for DC Motorsports. I posted on a couple of the pages earlier in the week that I got a programmable door chime. It's really just a little 12 volt powered speaker, and it's got a micro USB port, so you plug it into your computer and you could drag and click over any MP3 files that you want. So pretty much, instead of having GM's lovely annoying door chime for when your lights are on and your door's open, or your keys in the ignition and the door's open, you could listen to something a little more pleasant. So I will leave a link in the description to this little speaker thing. It is from Amazon. It's about $30. It's nice because you just plug it into computer, and just like a flash drive, and you click over. And I downloaded Zedge, so it's a free ringtone source. So what you could do is, all you do is download whatever song you want to play instead of the door chime from Zedge, download it into your computer, and then drag it over and upload it into the speaker itself. So it's basically just like a flash drive would. So you click in and drag it, and copies it in, and that's it. It will play for about 30 seconds, I believe the clip is, so any more than 30 seconds. So if you want to trim and edit the ringtone itself, so you only have a certain bit of it, you have 30 seconds of playtime. So I'm going to get into installing this, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So what we have here is we have the crew cab. A little update. We got the wood grain wheel on, all the gauges, got some rubber duckies up there. My girlfriend figured out that they squeak when you press them. So you're gonna pull this bottom piece off. Actually, you know what, you guys don't have to do that. I have to do that because I had to fix a wire. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go up here under the dash, and on the left side of the dash there's gonna be this giant black box that's attached to a fuse panel, and you're gonna wiggle that out of there, which I don't think I could do with one hand. So let me wiggle this out and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is the black box. This is your door chime. So pretty much this plugs in with the speaker grill towards the driver's side of the truck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this open. We're going to go over to the workbench, and I'm going to show you guys, because I've already figured this out, I'm going to show you guys what wires are what. So what we have here is the speaker box. As I'm looking through the viewfinder, I'm going to try to stumble through this. I'm going to take a little screwdriver. Now yours might be the green one. The green one does have like little clips on it that you actually pop out. This black one happens to be in a 97. So I'm going to just little, I don't know if you can see, there's little spaces in there. You just pop a little flathead screwdriver. It allows you to pop the top off. So what I found is, if this is installed in a truck like this, and you're looking at it, this is the driver's side door, this is the inside towards the passenger side. I found that this one, try to show you guys a little up close. This port right here, this is going to be your negative. This one over here is going to be your positive. So I'm going to unsolder these so the factory door chime kills, and I'll be right back. So I have the old speaker, as you can see here, the old buzzer, unsoldered from the board. So what I found on this board, I don't know if the camera's going to focus, so I apologize, but this one here and this one over here, diagonals, those are actually just feet that hold the speaker. So your one back here, the one that's closest to the pins, is going to be your negative. This one over here is going to be your positive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder in the positive and negative feet, and then we'll come right back. So guys, what we have here is the finished piece. Basically all I did was solder those connections on, like I said. And I used a soldering iron to melt a little hole in the back of the box. So when I snapped it together, the wires aren't crushed. I just pushed the excess wire in there. You can cut it down if you want. And I just used some double-sided tape to stick it to the box. Just make sure that you stick it on the opposite side of the speaker grill, because when it sits in a truck, if you put it on the side with the speaker grill, you're not going to be able to get it in because of where it sits. So this is going to have to point towards the passenger side of the vehicle. So as I was saying before, right there is a micro USB port. So you're going to come over here and not burn myself with my soldering iron. Let me set you guys up on your little tripod here. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to take your micro USB, plug it in the computer, and as you can see, I have a MP3 file here. So it comes up in the computer as Flash E. Should come up as Flash E in yours as well. So as you can see, I have Simple Man by Shinedown installed in this right now. So I have Simple Man in there right now. But what you could do is you can go over to Zedge. So I'll leave a link in the description for both the speaker box and Zedge. And once you're on Zedge, you could pretty much figure any MP3 you want. You want to go crazy? You can go kind of anything you want. And basically you're going to click it, you're going to download it, and then once it's downloaded, you'll just copy it into here, and as soon as you have your headlights on, your key in, your door open, it'll play that song. So let me plug this back in and give you guys a quick demo. So we have the box back up under the dash, and turn the headlight switch on, and now it is playing Simple Man. I'm not going to let it play that long because YouTube's going to flag my video and yell at me for copyright. But that's what I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave a link in the description below for both the music box and the also Zedge. So I'll make sure to do that. We have a couple more things that we're going to do this weekend on the crew cab. I still have to install my fast system from the dually. We're going to swap beds, and we're going to be cutting the back 3 feet off this frame, and we got some 4x3 box that we're going to throw in and make a kind of custom back half for the truck to help strengthen it up. And well, the back by the hitch on this truck is a little bit crusty and I needed to tow. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Keep up with all of our shenanigans here at DC Motorsports. See you later.